So I will take the feedback, no? Yes, sir. Sit down. Your name?
This is Dr. Mohan Kumar.
Sir.
One of the best lectures I have ever attended regarding the practice management.
Thank you, sir.
With little touch of ethics. That's most important. Most of us feel that attending the sort of marketing strategies are not ethical. But you presented the way it was very, very ethical, and we liked it, so we love it.
That was a great feedback for me. Thank you, sir. And sir, I request your feedback. You're a senior doctor.
This is one of the best lectures we have ever attended in IDA meetings.
Thank you, sir.
More than the subject-wise and knowledge-wise, this is supposed to be beneficial to all the people who are really in practice, who aspire more and more. And this lecture will be always remembered.
Thank you very much, sir. Feedback from youngsters. Please sit down.
I'm Dr. Dinesh Kumar, working in JDK Nagaraja College. Sir, actually your lecture was it's very informative for the beginners, and for those who have established a dental practice to be still add more efficiency to their practice. You have given a lot of tips in a very short continuous way. Thank you, sir.
So what about you, sir?
Very excellent presentation, and the stories were very inspiring. Great. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And ma'am, your
I am Dr. Kavita, wife of Dr. Mohan Kumar. Usually I keep telling few of things what you have told to my husband, and it's very tough to implement. We have to talk more about it. Now your lecture has evidence based. Now it is easier to implement things in the clinic now. And it will help my practice.
And what about you both?
Excellent lecture in our IDA program.
So, are you happy with the lecture?
Yeah, very
Would
happy.
you recommend this lecture to other IDAs and colleges?
That's what I'm definitely.
Thank you. And some ladies here.
Again also.
Young ladies.
I'm Dr. Bobby. This is the first time I'm attending the lecture in this topic. It is as a fresher, it is a very useful and a very informative for me.
And let's go to the last bench. Two gentlemen I'm watching. Looking very smart. Sir, please tell me.
Dr. Bhaskaran.
Hi, sir.
I learned very good things, and also I learned what are the problems we are making in the clinic, and I have to rectify this.
So was it useful to your...
Very useful.
So what are you going to implement one thing from tomorrow? Friendly approach to the patients. Good. And let me ask our sponsors here, and what did you learn today?
It is very
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself Ganesh Aram, Regional Manager in Medicare. So this is really very inspiring for us to have this marketing and sales which is correlating with our profession. Definitely.
Was it helpful to you?
Very helpful.
One thing, sir, mindset should be clear.
Yeah, thank you so much. And what about here? Feedbacks? Hello.
Time management and patience.
Oh, good. What about your feedback? Okay. Thank you. And what about you? Little louder, please. What did you learn today? You learned a lot of things, right? Good. Doctor, what about you? You can share few insights.
Dr. Shahid Basha. The lecture what you have given is not taught by any of the doctors or any of your staff in our college. We come out from the college and practice right away, but the financial part, the time management, the ethical part and everything is very clear to go. Thank you.
Thank you.